Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, Online Tutors Online. So this is part 5 of the videos where we create a robotic arm which draws some circles of different sizes. So we have a series of videos from part 1 up to part 8 where we create only the parts of that robotic arm. Then we have another one which is video 9 where we then assemble them to have a complete product. So this one is the forearm number 1. It's another part of our robotic arm. So we are going to create exactly like this one. We are going to create a double or a duplicate of this one from scratch. So without me wasting much of the time, we press Ctrl N for our new party. So we click OK. So it will show us the dashboard where we have to create our forearm number 1 from start. So without me wasting much of the time, you just click front plane, click sketch. I'm sorry, before everything we have to convert the units to millimeters. So just click millimeters here, then you are good. Now you select front plane, sketch. Now you select your center line. After selecting your center line, you draw a line which goes all the way up to here. Exit sketch, click the line for dimensioning. You can see there is 72 there. Here there is 72 here. We have to put 150. So click OK. So now we have our line. We have to select a circle. Select a circle. So we have to draw 2 circles, one above, one beneath. Right. So exit sketch. Click the circle again for dimensioning. That one we want a radius of 22.5. We click OK. The one beneath we want a radius of 30. Click OK. So after that, again we select our center line again. Center line. We click our center line, then exactly at 22.5 we release our mouse, exit sketch, click the line for dimensioning. This one we are only interested in its angle, where its angle is supposed to be at 331.9, and click OK. Again, click the center line. You draw another line here. We are only more concerned on their angles. So what is the angle for this one? The angle for this one is 37.1. Right? Click OK. We're almost done. Center line, then click angles, right? Click exit, click the line. Only interested in angles. The angle here is 157.8, right? Almost done. It's very simple. Zoom in, zoom out for you to see clearly. So you have to do it like this, then exit sketch. You have to check it's 30, yes. It's 180, no, we don't want 180. What do we want? 2 or 3. We need 2 or 3 here. Say OK. Our line here must be 203. Must be 203. It must change. I don't know what's going on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, then I'm going to reselect again center line, come here again, put it at an angle, exit sketch, select the line. Right now I can put my 2 or 3. Simple. Right, almost done. Let me check what's going on here. My 2 or 3 is there. Alright, so what's left now? What's left is you select a 3-point arc. You came here, exactly here. Oh sorry, I didn't select anything. I have to select a 3-point arc. Come this point, join it with this point. Now I need 150 here, so I just have to leave it at very near 1 DLS. At 157 it's okay. You have to come back here, join with this one again. I need 200 here, just very near 11. It's okay. Now exit sketch. Now I have to click here and check for my radius. Must be 200, 211, zeros. Click OK. Now here I need 150 here. There is 157, 0 here. Okay. Rechecking my circle. Is it still 20? No, it's 20. Supposed to be 22.5. Redimensioning it. Right. What about this one? It's supposed to be 30. Yes, it's 30. So after that, we have to say features, extrude boss base. Right. You flip direction so that it may suit your direction. You click here. You click here. You click here. You say I want it to extrude it with 70 millimeters and click OK. Now if you click OK, you now see that we are almost there. We are just left out with cutting this part and make sure we have some circle pillars here and here. So what are we going to do now is we're going to select this face, saying normal 2. We select, I'll go to reference geometry, we go select plane. After we select our plane, we want to flip this direction because we don't want this direction. So we go down, all the way down with the flip normal. Now it's going inside. Now we have to say flip offset. It's now in between. This is where we want to cut. To cut from 25 aside, 25 aside. Okay, so you click OK. Now what we have to do is to click the plane, click sketch, we select the face, we say convert entities. After sorry, forgive me. After convert entities, we have to go to features, extrude cut. Now we want to cut 25 millimeters in both directions. 25 millimeter first direction, 25 millimeter second direction, and click OK. Then when you see bodies to keep, we have to keep all bodies. Click OK. Now we are almost there. We have to click it here on the plane, then hide the plane so that we can construct our thing clearly. So click on there, click sketch, select the circle, select the circle. If you place your cursor here, you see there is a center here that's tracing a center. You click at the center, you draw a circle, just a normal circle, trace again, go center, click again. Now exit sketch, click that circle. You want a radius of 20, say OK. Here we want a radius of 25, click OK. Alright, we have to go to features again. We now want to extrude it. So we want to extrude it with 50 now, 50 millimeters, click OK. So this is what we needed at the first. This is our forearm number 1. This is our forearm number 1 exactly as it was. This is the duplicate now. Now we have to move on to create again our forearm number 2, because we have got 3 forearms. This is our forearm number 1. Now we are moving on to do our forearm number 2. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you.